we've got a new opportunity widget for lost reason filter. This feature is going to allow your business to categorize and analyze lost opportunities by specific reason right within the CRM. This is going to enhance your data insights and your decision making. As far as benefits go, this is going to give you detailed insights. Now, your business can filter and display lost opportunities by specific reasons. It's also going to enhance your customization. This enables your business to create tailored views of lost opportunities so you can really be tracking and paying attention to those. You can also improve your decision making with this knowledge. Now you're going to be able to analyze lost opportunities by reason, which is going to help your business identify patterns and areas for improvement. As far as practical use goes, now your business can understand why certain sales opportunities are not closing. And you can do this using the Opportunity Widgets Lost Reason filter. Now, you can create a pie chart and table to categorize and review the reasons for lost deals, enabling you to address common issues and improve your sales process. Let me show you exactly where this is. This is going to be available within the dashboard. So make sure you're in the dashboard and then click on the Edit Dashboard, which looks like a little pencil icon. Now you're going to click on Add Widget. Now go and select Opportunities, then Lost Opportunities by Reason. Now go ahead and add a group. And you can select the pie chart icon, then go ahead and configure, identify your group, and select your lost reason. You can select View By, and then you're going to choose the line item, which is the line icon. Then you're going to go ahead and configure that, and you're going to also view by the lost reason. So this is going to give you that line view as well as what we did previously, which was the pie chart. Now go ahead and add any of your conditions. This would be the and or the or, and then you're going to go ahead and save that. Now select the reason is, maybe it's out of budget, whatever you might have as what you have put in, and now go ahead and click Save. Now you can view both the line and the pie chart within your opportunity widget in the dashboard. This feature is going to empower your business with detailed insights into lost opportunities, driving improved decision making and business growth right within the CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.